Guess who's back? 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 Guess who's back?
Well, look what the stork brung. What? Little baby devil with the forked tongue. Ain't it sticking out, yeah, like a sore thumb. With a forehead that it grew horns from. Still a white jerk. Pulling up in a Chrysler to the cipher with the flex perks and a Bud Light shirt. Lyrical technician, an electrician. Y'all light work. And I don't gotta play pretend. It's you, I make believe. And you know I'm here to stay, cause me. If I was to ever take a leave, it would be as running to break the feed. If I was to ask for making these, Stallion, if she would collab with me, would I really have a shot at a feat? I don't know, but I'm glad to be back like
Abracadabra.
And for my last trick,
I'm about to reach in my mirror.
like
Abracadabra.
And for my last trick,
Just like that in the mirror.
now back in the days of oat me, when right around the time I became a dope fiend, ate some cocaine as a way of coping. Take the get case of OD, turned me into smiley face emoji. What's it may not be age appropriate, but I hit an 8-year-old in the face with participation trophy.
I have zero doubts that this whole world's about to turn into some Girl Scouts that seem to ship girls out.
So when I started this verse, it did start off lighthearted at first, but it feels like I'm targeted. Mind-boggling how my profit is skyrocketed. Look what I pocketed. Yeah, the shit is just like y'all had been, like jogging in. I've been running at full speed, and that's why I'm ahead like my noggin. And I'm the fight y'all get in. When you debate who the best, but outside white chalk, and when I step up to that mic cock it then. Oh my god, it's it, chicken out again.
Abracadabra.
And for my last trick,
I'm about to reach in my mirror.
like
Abracadabra.
and for my last trick,
Just like that in the mirror.
break it down.
Sometimes I wonder what the old me'd say
If what?
if he could see the way shit is today.
Look at this shit, man.
He'd probably say that everything is gay.
Like happy.
What's my name? What's my name?
So how many little kids still wanna act like me? I'm a bigger prick than cacti bees, and that's why these words sting just like word being attacked by bees. In the coop leaning back my seat, hoping R. Kelly's safe. Grew up the black guy IVs, feed in my Air Max 90s. My T's walking parental advisory. My transgender cat Siamese identifies as black but it's Chinese. Like I'm all fucking hacky sack, got tree. The whole world cause I got it at my feet. I explain to you that even myself I'm a danger to. Tracks like a kangaroo and say a few things that to the anger you. Fuck that, if I think that shit, I'ma say that shit. Cancel me, what? Okay, that's it. Go ahead, Paul, quit, snake ass brick. You know, cross-dressing, hot fake ass bitch. And I'll probably get shit for that, why? But you can also look my dick. In fact, fuck them, fuck Dre, fuck Jimmy, yuck me. What the fuck, my own kids, the brain, fuck them. Biggest group off, them and you fall, you too off. Got 2 balls, biggest new balls. What you thought you saw, ain't what you saw. Cause you never gonna see me, caught sleeping, see the kidnapping. Everything happened, like Sherry Bikini, Harry Houdini. I vanished into the thin air as I'm leaving like
Abracadabra.
And for my last trick,
I'm about to reach in my mirror.